Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I will show you how to change time on your Hisense Smart TV. This is very simple. Like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So to change time, what you have to do, go over to your settings, and there is option for um, system over here. Go over to it, and there is time. Once you click on time, this is what you are going to see. You can change your time format over here, 12 hours and 24 hours. You can change the date and time over here. Now there is two options. There's the auto sync, which lets your time to be chosen by your time zone. If you're using a time zone like me, I'm using the UTC plus one. This depends on your country. So whatever country you are in, it is going to choose the time zone of that country. But if you want to change your time manually, then go over here, turn off auto sync, and you can edit the date yourself here, or your time over here. You can change your time and edit everything over here. So this way you change time. But the best option is just always choose auto sync, and it's just going to go to the time of your time zone or the time of your country over here. That's simple as that. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.